Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your REALME Narzo 50i Prime. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Next is to find Firefox browser app, install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here you can customize it. You can pick a theme, change the toolbar placement, use always on privacy settings, strict or standard, sign in to synchronize Firefox between other devices, read the privacy notice, start browsing, and here lastly set Firefox as a default browser. Now let's open, for example, Wikipedia, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.